Nissan has always known how to tap into nostalgia, and with the all-new 2026 Z Heritage Edition, the Japanese automaker has delivered a heartfelt tribute to one of its most iconic sports cars, the legendary 300ZX of the 1990s. Unveiled at ZCON, the Heritage Edition goes beyond just another special trim. It's a rolling time machine designed to resonate deeply with enthusiasts who grew up idolizing Nissan's golden era of performance. The Heritage Edition starts with the Z Performance trim as its foundation, ensuring buyers get all the premium features of Nissan's modern two-seat sports coupe. But the real magic lies in its styling, which pays homage to Nissan's heritage while adding subtle touches of modern flair. The most striking element is the stunning midnight purple paint, a shade borrowed from the Skyline GT-R that immediately evokes memories of Japanese performance cars dominating the streets and tracks of the 1990s. It's a color that has long been associated with Nissan legends, and its return here feels nothing short of iconic. Complementing the bold paint are a set of 19-inch bronze-finished raise wheels, the kind of detail that underscores Nissan's commitment to blending retro inspiration with modern craftsmanship. Adding to the retro vibes are the bronze twin-turbo graphics along the sides, a direct nod to the Z32 300ZX. Around back, a carbon fiber spoiler provides a sharper edge, and a unique Heritage Edition crest sits proudly behind the greenhouse, marking this car as something truly special in the Z lineage. Step inside, and the Heritage Edition maintains much of the current Z Performance's interior, but with unique touches that set it apart. Owners will find exclusive kick plates and floor mats stamped with Heritage branding, alongside premium features like leather and suede seating, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a 9-inch infotainment display complete with GPS navigation. A premium Bose sound system, HomeLink integration, and aluminum pedals round out the cabin, offering a blend of nostalgia and modern comfort. Of course, no Z would be complete without performance to match its looks. The Heritage Edition is powered by the familiar twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine, pumping out 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission, for purists, or a 9-speed automatic for those who prefer convenience without sacrificing speed. With this setup, the Z Heritage Edition ensures that driving engagement remains at the core of the experience. Nissan has also kept pricing reasonable, especially for a special edition model. The Heritage package costs just $2,940, bringing the total price to $55,910. Considering the unique styling and emotional connection this car delivers, that's a strong value proposition for enthusiasts who want a piece of history wrapped in modern engineering. For those not chasing the Heritage Edition specifically, Nissan has confirmed that the 2026 Z lineup will still start at $42,970, with only a modest $50 increase in delivery fees. In today's automotive market, where new model years almost always mean higher prices, Nissan's decision to hold the line on base pricing is refreshing. Beyond the Heritage model, updates for 2026 are limited, but buyers can now choose a bolder gray exterior paired with a sleek black roof for a more modern vibe. In short, the 2026 Nissan Z Heritage Edition isn't just a car. It's a love letter to fans of the Z brand, particularly those who remember the thrill of the 300ZX. With its midnight purple paint, bronze wheels, retro graphics, and modern performance, it strikes a perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. For enthusiasts, it's the kind of car that hits you right in the feels, reminding everyone why the Z has been an enduring icon for more than 50 years.